This is gonna end Ivan, bro. All right. Ivan goes to church every Sunday just to be at his meet on Monday. Oh! And then with the merch, bro. Top what's going with that merch? Don't got it on me, bro.
Hey, yo, you guys will get the scoop.
Yeah, put him in here. Bro, Christian, you still recording?
Mm-hmm. Christian. Bro, I'm dead, bro. Where'd Christian go? Go over there, go.
Bro, peep the backpack, bro. Peep the backpack.
Do it. Do it. No way, Christian. Go, go, go. Ooh. Play volleyball, go, go. Oh, you're gonna say something, say something, say something, say something. You're in the next video, you're in the next video.
We got the whole squad here, bro.
We're about to win.
We got Diego here, bro.
What up, bro? Hey, jump up.
We got Xavier, bro. We got everybody here.
I really went. It's Xavier's turn.
Oh!
I was louder.
That was valid. That was valid. Oh! Rusty here, bro. All right. He said he's always acting depressed. That's why he bitch got finessed. He's sight. You got quiet, bro. Quiet. He's always acting depressed. That's why his bitch got finessed. I killed him, bro. Killed him. He's done. He's done. He's done. Right? He's done. He's pretty much done.
If they had no fear, that's why no way runs your career.
217,
55,
55,
49.
49.
This is gonna end Ivan, bro. All right. Ivan goes to church every Sunday just to be at his meet on Monday. Oh! There you go. Try to roast me. He's done, bro. He's done. Say something. You got the camera hard to yourself, bro. He's right, bro. I finished it. Killed him. Come on, bro. I'm waiting. Try to roast me.
He's just staying quiet.
Say something.
He's giving you a silent treatment.
Hey, full game right now.
Yo, go subscribe. Go subscribe.
Open it.
Subscribe to me. I can roast him again. I can roast him again.
You never roasted me, bro. All right, go.
Exactly.
You look like a 2 minute, bro. Shut up. Ready, set, go.
I'll move over there. I'll move over there.
Bro, he's even trying. No way. Damn.
Watching me. There's just people watching me.
Hey, they don't care, bro.
Ready? Set, go.
Damn, bro, he even trying. And none was unbeatable, bro. Come on, Luo! Come on, Luo! Oh! I got that! Oh, that was insane! Oh! That was insane, bro! Oh, he's saying... What is he saying? Yo, Pisaí! Let's go! Oh, okay! K-pop, bro! Come on, Luis! Come on, Luis! Oh, Luis! Oh! Oh! Come on, Christian! Yo, Christian! Let's go! Yup. Come on, Christian! Christian! Come on, Christian! Oh! Oh! Get it, Christian. Oh my God. Come on, Luo. Oh! Whoa! Oh! Ivan! Let's go, Ivan! Yeah! That's Ivan! Yup! Oh, is that Edgar? What's up, bro? You did amazing, bro. Amazing. Thanks for the support. Make sure to cop the merch down in the description down below. And I did say I was going to dye my hair, but that's going to be in the next video. And what, Anthony, who should they do?
Go subscribe. Go subscribe.
Subscribe.